Materials you can cut with Cricut Maker. Cricut machines can cut a variety of materials. It can cut something as delicate as tissue paper to thick leather. You can use it to cut acetate with fine point blade, adhesive and aluminum foil with fine point blade, balsa and basswood with knife blade, fabric with rotary blade including Bengaline bamboo burnout velvet denim boucle cambric cashmere and more, birch permanent adhesive with fine point blade, cereal box with deep point blade, chipboard with knife blade, chalkboard vinyl with fine point blade, everyday iron-on with fine point blade, foil poster board with fine point blade, infusible ink transfer sheet with fine point blade, leather with deep point blade, natural wood veneer with deep point blade, matte board with knife blade, vellum with fine point blade and many more. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.